In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a YouTube video in Blogger with Autoplay. If you want your videos to start playing automatically when someone visits your blog, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process in a clear and simple way. First, go to YouTube and open the video you want to embed on your blog. Once the video is loaded, click on the Share button located below the video player. From the options that appear, select Embed. This will generate an embed code that you can copy and use on your Blogger site. Now, before copying the code, you'll need to make a small adjustment to enable autoplay. In the embed code, look for the video URL inside the iframe tag. You will see something like youtube.com/embed/video ID. At the end of that URL, add play autoplay equals 1. If there are already parameters in the link, then simply add and autoplay equals 1 instead. This modification tells the video to start playing automatically when the page loads. Once you've updated the embed code, copy the entire iframe code, then head over to your Blogger dashboard and open the post or page where you want to place the video. In the editor, switch from Compose view to the HTML view so you can paste the code correctly. Choose the spot where you want the video to appear, then paste the modified embed code into the editor. After that, switch back to Compose view if you want to preview how it looks, or you can use the Preview button to see the full result before publishing. When everything looks good, click Publish or Update to save your changes. Your embedded video should now appear on your blog and begin playing automatically when visitors open the page. Keep in mind that some browsers may block autoplay, especially if the video has sound. In most cases, autoplay works best when the video is muted, so you can also add and mute equals 1 to the embed link if needed. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully embedded a YouTube video in Blogger with autoplay. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.